Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. My name is Shraddha Gupta and today we are going to do a chapter number 4 from your mathematics book. So, what is the name of the chapter? The chapter name is division. So, let's do the chapter. Karan, there are 24 marbles arranged in 4 ways. So, there are 4 rows and each row has 6 marbles and there are total number of 24 marbles. Can you tell how many marbles are there in each row? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 marbles and there are number of rows are 4. So these are the number of marbles and this is number of rows. Nisha, we should divide 24 divided by 4. So what it is? 6. So there are 6 marbles in each row and this is the concept of division. So let's understand. Understanding division in better way. The division means the repeated subtraction means like I am 24, I am going to subtract 4, it is 20. Now with 20, I have subtract 4, then it is 16. After subtract 4, with it's 12. Now 12 minus 4, that is 8, and 8 minus 4, that is 4, and 4 minus 4, that is 0. So total we have subtracted 6 times. So 6 when we subtract 6 times 4 with a 12 we get the answer 6. So this is your product. For example, 25 divided by 5 means 5 parts of 25 means 25 are divided into 5 parts, that is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. On 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. On making 5 parts of 25 we get 5 in each part. 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. In other words, we can express the same in terms of repeated subtraction. We got on subtracting 5 from 25 until the remainder becomes 0. Like 25 minus 5, 25, 25 minus 5, 15, 15 minus 5, 10, 10 minus 5, 5 and 5 minus 5, 0. So how many times we have subtracted? We have subtracted 5 times. We start with 25 and subtract 5 for the 5 times until remainder becomes 0. Therefore, 5 is the quotient of the division. Term of division. The 3 terms of division are dividend, divisor and quotient. Let's divide 45 by 5. 45 divided by 5 can be written as in the form of this. This is a way of dealing with the division. When we recite the table of 6, 8 times we get 45. 5 into 9, that is 45. So 5, 45. So 9 times it is 45 and finally subtraction we get 0. So this is your quotient, this is your dividend, this is your divisor and this is your remainder. So these are the 4 main elements of division. Let's look the given method of division. 459 is not completely divided by 5. Like we are going to divide. So first 9 times 9 is left and final is 4. So this is your remainder. 559 is not completely divisible by 5. We have 4 remaining at the end, which is remainder. Note, remainder is always smaller than division. Divide. Divide 7, 8, 4 to 4 by 8. Arrange the numbers. Always divide a number from the left hand side and always write the question from the right hand side. Means you have to divide from this side, that is left hand side, and you have to write question from the right side. Next is knowing the stepwise explanation of 7, 8, 4 to 4, that is given here. Step 1. As 8 is greater than 7, therefore, shall we divide first 2 digits 78 in step 1, that is 9, 8, 7, 2. Then we write 9 at the place of the question from the left. Write 72 under 78 and subtract. So 78 minus 72, that is 6. So here 6 is mentioned. After this, now we bring the next digit 4 down after 6. So what is it? We bring 4 here. 64 is divided by step 2, that is 8 into 8, 64. We write 8 at the second place of question and subtract 64 from 64. We find the remainder of step 2 is 0. After this, we bring the next digit 2 down as we cannot divide 2 by 8. Write a 0 at the third place of question from the left, that is here. After that, now we bring the next digit 4 down after 2. So 24 is divided by step 4, 8 into 3, that is 24. After this, we write 3 at the fourth place of a question, subtract 24 to 24 and the remainder is 0. So finally answer is this. 9803 is a quotient and 0 is a remainder. Next is your example. Divide this by 12 and write the question and remainder. Arrange the numbers. Keeping about stepwise explanation of this, 12 is greater than 3. We divide 2 digits from the left. 34. First step. 12 into 2, 24. Write 2 at the first place of question from the left. Now we subtract 24 from 34, that is 10, and 10 is the remainder of step 1. After this, we write the next digit 3 above 10, that is 103 is divided by step 2. 12 into 8, that is 96, and 8 is the second place of the question. Subject 96 from 103, that is 7. We write the next digit 3 below the 7, we have 72 to be divided. 12 into 6, 72, write 6 at the third place of question and subtract 72 with 72, that is 0. After this, we write the next digit 2 below. We cannot divide 2 by 12, so we write 0 at the fourth place of a question. After this, we write the next digit 5 below 2. So, 25 is to be divided in this step. 12 into 2, that is 24. We write 2 at the fifth place of question, subtract 24 from 25, that is 1. We find remainder 1 from after the last step. Therefore, the question is 28602 with remainder 0. This is your exercise 1. After this, division of numbers having zeros. Example 1, you have to divide 42640 by 8. So first of all, firstly arrange the numbers in columns, and 8 is greater than 4. So 8 into 5 is 40. Write 5 at the step place at the question 40 from 42, and 42 minus 40, that is 2. Now we bring the next digit 6 down. 26 is divided in this sub-step. 8 into 3, 24. We write 3 at the second place of question. Now we subtract 24 from 26, and now 26 minus 24, that is 2. Then we bring the next digit 2 down. Again 24 is divided here. 8 into 3 equals to 24, and we write 3 at the third place question. Now we subtract 24 from 24, and 24 minus 24 equals to 0. We bring the next digit 0 down. Only 0 is to be divided. We cannot divide 0 by 8. Write 0 at the fourth place of a question. The question is 5330. Next is your exercise 2. Now the knowing division by 10. Division 524 by 10. So arrange the numbers and divide. Question is 52 and remainder is 4. Then we divide the number by 10. We get last one digit as a remainder, the other digit as a question. Using the above property, we find the question and event without dividing the number. So for 10, you don't have to divide, only you have to put the last digit as a remainder and last one as a question. Like 8 to 1, so 82 is a question and 1 is a remainder. 8905 is a question and 5 is a remainder. Knowing division by 100. In the same way, in 100, you have to put 2 digit as a remainder and left one as a question. Like 6400, so 00 is a remainder and 64 is your question. 64 is your remainder and 72 is your question. In next is knowing division by 1000. So there were 3 zeros and 1000 after 1. Therefore, for 3000 you have to put last 3. But right side last 3 digits are taken as a remainder and left one as a question. Next is your checking the division. So, looking at the relationship between divisor, dividend, question and a remainder. So, dividend equals to divisor into question plus remainder. Means, if 5 divided by 48, so the remainder is 0. So, you have to simply 8 into 5 plus 0. That is 40. Understand? So, divisor into question plus remainder is your dividend. Next is your word problems, and last one is your math lab activity and mental math. So this you have to do with the help of a teacher. Bye bye. Take care. Meet you soon in my next video.